Are you dreaming of a new outdoor living space for this fall? Maybe it's an updated kitchen or a finished basement. Well, before you start shopping for your new house, you're going to want to check with a lender to see what your financing options are in purchasing a new home. And there's 3 things that if you don't know the answer for, could cost you a lot of money. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, bringing you 3 tips of make sure you ask your lender. Number 1, make sure you ask if the lender has an origination fee. These fees can be anywhere from $0 to $500, so it definitely makes a difference if they have a fee that will be added to your closing cost. Question number 2, ask when your interest rate can be locked in. Some programs right now lenders have allow you to lock in your interest rate before you even have a home accepted contract. Some don't allow you to lock it in until you have that accepted contract, and some lenders don't allow you to lock in your interest rate until after the appraisal. With interest rates right now changing weekly, you can see how not having that information could be very costly. Question number 3, make sure you ask what the loan origination fee is. This fee is generally a percent that's based on the loan amount. So you'll want to check and see what the percent they'll be charging for the origination or cost of working through your loan. Now you're definitely going to want to make sure you have a lender who's going to be top-notch in communication, presenting your options, and working through the details of your contract to the purchase of your home. In addition, those 3 questions will save you money. Make sure to subscribe for more tips from the Walton Home Team, as well as Kansas City favorite adventures that we'll share in to come. Thanks so much and have a great day.